In last lecture, we discussed about the chapter number 11, study of animal type, that is cockroach, and its habitat, again the systematic position of cockroach. Okay. In today's lecture, we are just focusing on the interaction with mankind. That is the topic number 11.11, interaction of cockroaches with the mankind. What is the role of cockroach, or how the cockroach act as the pest vector, how it damages the different material. Okay, so it's all about that, and again we are going to discuss about the control measure taken to control the cockroach. Okay, and some sanitary material or the methods, or the some chemical control methods we are going to discuss in this lecture. So cockroaches causes damage to the household material like clothes, shoes, paper, and the other different material like bags, or the whatever the foodstuffs are there. Okay, because they eat everything. They eat everything in the present in the houses, present in the kitchen. Okay, and if the cockroach are wandering from the foodstuff, that again get the contaminated. Okay, so cockroaches are somewhat the animal which is not much useful. Okay, in another country it is just rare. Okay, but in our country we just considered it as the pest. Okay, so they contaminated food, and which gives typical smells and make it unpalatable. Means whenever if cockroaches are there present wandering on our foodstuff, then that become unfit for our eating. Okay, that foodstuff become the some nauseous and unpalatable, tasteless. Okay, and not good for eating. Okay, for the mankind, as they live in the sewage pipes and the gutter holes. They carry with them the harmful pathogen, and again they causes different diseases like the cholera, diarrhea, tuberculosis, typhoid, and many more. Okay, and in this way the cockroaches act as the vector. Okay, vector means the agent which carry the diseases or the pathogen. Okay, again when the cockroaches going to contaminated food, and again it is very hazardous. Whatever the material grains are there in our home, again it just contaminated. In this way the cockroaches act as the pest. Okay, and as we know, we just do the pest control in the home for these cockroaches also. Okay, so the cockroaches are act as the pest. They act as the vector of different disease. Cockroaches again serves as a part of the food chain also. Okay, because many amphibian, birds, lizards, and the rodents, they just use cockroaches as their food. Okay, so if the number of cockroaches are or the number of population of cockroaches is decline, then definitely that ultimately affect on the population of other organism which are actually depends on this cockroach as their food. Okay, so they are eaten by certain groups of people in South America also. Okay, so in this way the cockroaches are useful in certain countries like South America, China, Myanmar, and certain species are very demandable there as a food. Okay, so in this way these are edible. Again, cockroaches are edible in South America, China, Myanmar, like countries. Okay, in our countries we can't ever prefer the cockroach as the food. Okay, so what is given in the point number 4, that cockroaches act as the part of food chain, because many different other animals are depends on the cockroach as their food. Okay, and again the different peoples from the different countries, they again consume the cockroach as their food. Cockroach is used as the experimental animal in laboratory. Definitely now actually the dissection is banned in our laboratory, but before that, whenever we are just going to do any experiment of what is the effect of particular toxicant, or what is the effect of repellent on insects. Okay, if we want to just observe that one, in such a cases the cockroaches are preferred there, because we consider cockroaches as the pest. Okay, that's why it's don't have its own much value, and again availability of cockroaches is again more. Okay, easily we can available such a cockroach, and we can use them for the biological research. Okay, they can be obtained easily without causing damage to the ecological balance also. Okay, that's why cockroaches are just serve as the experimental animal for the different aspects in the study of different aspects in zoology. Okay. Next to this, let's see about the control measure, how we are able to control the cockroaches. As the cockroach is economically harmful organism, it must be controlled in an efficient way. Okay, some of the control measures are given here, that are good sanitation, and another is the chemical control. Okay, so how we can mechanically control the cockroaches? Okay, as we know that the cockroaches prefer dark, humid places of kitchen, cupboards, trolleys. So because of that, we must have to periodically or regularly clean these kitchen, cupboards, trolleys. Okay, in this way, if we are just going to cleaning that one, then whatever the uthikas, if there nymphs are there, okay, they will be killed, and further growth is not possible, means the cockroaches not just attain the maturity, okay, reproductive maturity, and then again we just going to break their life cycle, and in this way we can control the growth of cockroach. Okay, the cracks and crevices and such an area must be filled. Okay, so that the cockroaches not must be just stay there, hide there. Okay, they should not be any place in the home where accumulation of garbage may be take place. We must have to take a precaution that the garbage not be there in the house anymore, because these animals are the garbage lover and they like this one. So if we are just make our house clean, kitchen clean, then definitely most of the means the more than 50% of the problem of this pest is diminishes. Chemical control, for the controlling these cockroaches, the chemical methods are again adopted, like organophosphates are used, then the carbamates are used, pyrethroids are used. Pyrethroids are again seen in the repellent. Okay, then the boric acid powder, boric acid tablets are easily available in the market, and which are efficient, which contain the efficient poison, okay, to kill the cockroach. Various types of their formulations are available. Formulation of this organophosphate, carbamates, pyrethroids, and boric acids are available in the market in the different ways, under various brand names. Okay, another, that is the Lakshman Rekha. We are generally used in our kitchen. Maybe it is present in everyone's kitchen. Many sprays are there. Some repellent, different type of repellents, repellent palettes are there. seen in market, and which are all are very efficient so as to control the pest. And apart from this pest control technique which is used in the houses, because we have to control the pest, or the just do the pest controlling in regular interval during after some periods of years we have to do that. And that is again the another method to just control the this cockroaches. Okay, so as we know that these cockroaches are the pests, these are the vector, these are carrying different diseases, these are responsible for causing different diseases. That's why we must have to control the cockroaches either by the good sanitation, either by maintaining good sanitation, or by the this chemical control. Okay, so cockroaches frequently enter home by migrating up from the sewer connection if the drain trap it dry. Okay, so always keep the drain trap filled with the water. Okay, and if the drain trap is always filled with water, then the these cockroaches don't get the way to enter into our home through the drainage. And in this way again we can just control the population of this cockroach. Okay, so this is all about, and next point is not there. Okay, because only this much of portion is there in our syllabus, that is related to the habit and habitat, then the systematic position, and about the interaction with mankind, where we saw the control measure by maintaining good sanitation and the chemical control. So this is all about the chapter number 11. In this way we have finished this chapter. Okay.